Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs for 71st BPSC PT exam. Question number 1. Which of the following is the state bird of Bihar? A. Peacock, B. House sparrow, C. Indian roller, D. Saurus crane. Answer is B. House sparrow. The house sparrow was declared the state bird of Bihar in 2012 to raise awareness about the declining population due to urbanization and pesticide use. Question number 2. The Battle of Buxar was fought in which year? A. 1764, B. 1757, C. 1857, D. 1526. Answer is A. 1764. The Battle of Buxar in 1764 was a decisive victory for the British East India Company over the combined forces of Mir Qasim, Shah Alam II and Sujauddaulah, leading to greater British control over Bengal and Bihar. Question number 10. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga, B. Kosi, C. Gandak, D. Son. Answer is B. Kosi. The Kosi River is called the sorrow of Bihar due to its frequent floods and course changes causing widespread devastation in northern Bihar. Question number 4. Who was the founder of Mauryan Empire? A. Ashoka, B. Bindusar, C. Chandragupta Maurya, D. Samudragupta. Answer is C. Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya founded the Mauryan Empire around 321 BCE with the help of his advisor Chanakya, overthrowing the Nanda dynasty. Next, the economy of Bihar is primarily based on which sector? A. Agriculture, B. Industry, C. Services, D. Mining. Answer is A. Agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of Bihar's economy, employing over 70% of the workforce and contributing significantly to the state's GDP with major crops like rice, wheat, maize. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with formation of new states? A. Article 1, B. Article 3, C. Article 370, D. Article 371. Answer is B. Article 3. Article 3 empowers the Parliament to form new states, increase or decrease the area of any state, or alter boundaries, which was used in bifurcation of Bihar to create Jharkhand in 2000. Next question. The ancient university of Nalanda was located in which modern day district of Bihar? A. Patna, B. Gaya, C. Nalanda, D. Vaishali. Answer is C. Nalanda. Nalanda University, a renowned center of learning in ancient India, is situated in the Nalanda district of Bihar and was destroyed by invaders in 12th century. Next question. Who led the Champaran Satyagraha in Bihar? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Bhagat Singh. Answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi led the Champaran Satyagraha in 1917 against the exploitative indigo plantation system imposed by British landlords on Bihar farmers. Next question. Which is the longest river bridge in India located in Bihar? A. Bandra Worli Sea Link, B. Mahatma Gandhi Setu, C. Vikramshila Setu, D. Bogibeel Bridge. Answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi Setu. The Mahatma Gandhi Setu over the Ganga River in Patna is one of the longest river bridges in India, spanning about 5.75 kilometers, connecting North and South Bihar. Next question. The Bihar Divas is celebrated annually on which date? A. March 22, B. August 15, C. January 26, D. October 2. Answer is A. March 22. Bihar Divas commemorates the formation of the state of Bihar on March 22, 1912, when it was carved out from Bengal presidency. Next question. Which wildlife sanctuary in Bihar is famous for its population of Indian rhinoceros? A. Valmiki National Park, B. Bhim Bandh Wildlife Sanctuary, C. Kamur Wildlife Sanctuary, D. Gautam Buddha Wildlife Sanctuary. Answer is A. Valmiki National Park. Valmiki National Park in West Champaran district is known for its biodiversity, including tigers, leopards, and efforts to reintroduce Indian rhinoceros. Question: India Movement resolution was passed in which year? A. 1942, B. 1930, C. 1920, D. 1947. Answer is A. 1942. The Quit India Movement was launched in 1942 by the Indian National Congress under Mahatma Gandhi, demanding an end of British rule with significant participation from Bihar. Next question: which mineral is Bihar most famous for products? Which mineral is Bihar most famous for producing? A. Coal, B. Iron, C. Mica, D. Bauxite. Answer is C. Mica. Bihar has rich deposits of mica, particularly in Koderma region, which was once known as the mica capital of India. Now Koderma is in Jharkhand. Next question: who was the first chief minister of Bihar after independence? Sri Krishna Sinha, B. Anugrah Narayan Sinha, C. Karpuri Thakur, D. Lalu Prasad Yadav. Answer is Sri Krishna Sinha. Sri Krishna Sinha, also known as Bihar Kesari, served as the first chief minister of Bihar from 1946 to 1961 and played a key role in the state's development. Next question: the Rohtas Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in which district of Bihar? A. Rohtas, B. Bhojpur, C. Aurangabad, D. Sasaram. Answer is A. Rohtas. Rohtas Fort, built by Sher Shah Suri in the 16th century, is in Rohtas district and is recognized for its architectural grandeur and historical significance. Next question: which of the following is a major cash crop in Bihar? A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Sugarcane, and D. Maize. Answer is C. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a prominent cash crop in Bihar, especially in northern districts. Contribution to sugar industry and economy. Next question: the Bihar Public Service Commission BPSC was established in which year? A. 1949, B. 1950, C. 1937, D. 1947. Answer is A. 1949. BPSC was formed on November 1, 1949, following the separation from Joint Public Service Commission for Bihar and Odisha. Next question: which ancient kingdom had its capital at Rajgir in Bihar? A. Magad, B. Kosala, C. Anga, D. Vaji. Answer is A. Magad. Rajgir was the ancient capital of Magad kingdom, which later became a powerful empire under the rulers like Bimbisar and Ajatashatru. The Bihar School Examination Board BSEB conducts exams for which level? A. Secondary and senior secondary, B. only primary, C. undergraduate, D. postgraduate. Answer is secondary and senior secondary. Next, the Bihar State Tourism Development Corporation promotes which famous pilgrimage site? A. Bodh Gaya, B. Varanasi, C. Haridwar, D. Amritsar. A. Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya, where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment, is a key Buddhist pilgrimage site in Bihar, attracting tourists worldwide. Which amendment to the Indian Constitution introduced Panchayati Raj institutions? A. 73rd Amendment, B. 42nd Amendment, C. 44th Amendment, D. 86th Amendment. Answer is A. 73rd Amendment. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act to establish Panchayati Raj system of local self-government in rural areas, including Bihar, to decentralize power. Thank you.